Like you saw in the preview, today's design is cassette audio equalizer in PowerPoint. Okay, let's start to work. So, first we change background color. You can do this job easily. If you don't know how to change the background color, you can follow my steps perfectly. Get the rounded rectangle, draw a shape in here. Okay, using this yellow dot you can get smooth corners for our shape. Now remove the shape outlines. Change shape color using eyedropper tool. Now I get this type of shape in here, and resize shape. In this time I change shape outline weight. Pick a rectangle shape, place it right middle of the shape. Change outline color and shape color in the same time. Again I pick a rounded rectangle shape, and curve the corners using this yellow dot. Change shape color and outline color, and I resize the shape little bit. Get the rectangle shape, place it middle of the whole shape. Then right-click, select the edit points, click and drag inside like this. Now I change the outline weight into 4.5 pt. Change the shape color. If you like this option you can follow my steps, but it doesn't matter, you can keep the default setting. Now pick oval shape, place it here like this with the resize the shape. Get the copy and place the shape in same line. I zoom the slide, now you can see perfectly. Now select all these rectangles with second oval shape, to group together. Get copy whole shape and place it right side like this. Pick rectangle, change shape color and remove the outlines. Now I add my audio equalizer effect bar. You can download PNG file from internet for free. Please note, you can add PNG file or GIF file in here, but I'm using PNG file in here. Now I add some additional shapes for our design make look beautiful. I add the text box in here, for type my song name. I'm using shadow into font style. You can download this font for free, so I gave the link in the description. Cool, our designing part is perfect. It's time to add animation for our design. Okay, click this shape, then go to Add Animation, select Spin. Open Animation pane. Select After Previous, and change duration time up to 4.5. Go to Effect option, click Timing then, select until end of the slide. In this time I add same animation for this shape. Select, with previous, and change duration time into 4.75. select end of the slide. Click image file, select wipe, and change direction from right. Select the end of the slide. Choose with previous, and change the duration 0.75. It's time to add our audio file. Let's see how to add our song for this design. Go to Effect option, then you can see Sound option, click the drop-down arrow, now select your audio file in here. Please note, make sure your audio format is WAV. And you can choose your audio file from here. Okay, friends, let's play our animation.